Breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court, and the top court has expressed its dissatisfaction over the rescue of the 15 trapped miners in Meghalaya. The miners have been trapped for 3 weeks now. Court asked senior law enforcement officers to appear in front of it and explain the steps taken by the government to rescue the trapped miners. I'm joined by my colleague Meenakshi Bhanja on the phone line. Meenakshi, please take us through the key observations made by the court today.
Well, Parima, one thing that has been running very starkly, obviously, in the proceedings has been the complete dissatisfaction which the Supreme Court has expressed over the steps taken by the Meghalaya government, in particular, to rescue these about 15 or so people who are trapped in the mines for almost 3 weeks now. And we are bringing to our viewers some very pertinent observations. The Supreme Court categorically stating, and I quote, "We are not satisfied with the steps taken by the state government. We pray everyone trapped is alive," unquote. With this, the Supreme Court is also very, very concerned about the lack of coordinated approach between the state and the central government over the measures that it has been able to take thus far to make attempts to rescue these trapped miners. We also had senior advocate Anand Grover, who informed the Supreme Court as to how there's been a complete lack of coordination amongst various agencies. Many high-profile officers of these agencies who should have been overseeing the rescue work, they're not even present on site. This has been one of the submissions made before the Supreme Court. So, like you correctly referred to, the top court wants to hear more on this, and for that purpose, it has asked a senior law officer to make themselves available to brief the court about the coordinated steps being taken or being planned to be taken by the centre and the state governments towards making attempts to rescue these trapped miners.
Right, Meenakshi, important points raised by the Supreme Court there. Thank you so much for joining us with that update.